Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another exciting review again on a website called Rolvi Trading. Okay, if you are new to this channel and you're watching a video on this channel for the very first time, please, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell icon. Okay, in this channel, what we do is that we provide you with content on how you can make money both online and offline opportunities, and we also help you in doing your due diligence by doing review for you on investment website, so you can know the risk in what you are investing in, just like we want to do for this platform now. All right, so if you're interested in content like this, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and probably turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notification when content are being made. All right, and to my returning subscribers and viewers, I say thank you very much for staying tuned with me. It's a pleasure having you right here. All right, so moving back to Rolvi Trading. Rolvi Trading, actually they claim they trade for you. We're going to go through this platform bit by bit. I'm not going to waste much of your time. We are just going to read the important part, and then we're going to go into pointing out this red flag and we get the conclusion on this website. Then I will leave the floor to you to conclude on your own after giving you my own review and my own view perspective on this website. All right, so let's quickly do that. Now, before I go into that, I want you to know that, you see, a platform offering you trading assistance or offering you trading investment opportunity, that you should invest with them and they will trade for you and give you your returns. Guys, that actually alone, it actually sounds suspicious. Is it not better for you to have a trading bot? Take for instance now, these people can as well just make their bot compatible with an exchange. Take for instance the Royal Q. Let's say they develop an API keys and bring it up. You purchase this bot maybe with a sum of a little cash. You purchase this bot, activate it just like you do for the Royal Q, then put in a gas fee and then use this bot to trade for you. If actually the bots trade efficiently as they claim, it will trade for you and actually still generate the same profit for you, but your capital will be in an exchange. Guys, am I communicating here? That should be more safer. Let's take for instance something happened now, maybe okay, then you know that all right, it will be that the $100 or the $50, whatever the activating fee is, which you use to activate the bot, will be what will be in harm, and your capital will still remain in your Binance account. I think that should be a little bit safer. What do you think? Share your own opinion as well on this in the comment area. So, because probably I know that if this bot actually possesses the kind of intelligence these people claim it possesses, I'm telling you, these guys will not share this opportunity with everyone. Okay, they will always want to keep it and make profit for themselves, and I'm sure of this. So we should put this into consideration also. Why don't they just simply create their bot in the sense whereby they create it with an AIP key, which we use to band with our exchange for it to trade and derive the same profit for us, if it's actually accurate as it. Because guys, let me tell you, to be sincere, with the way the market is, there is no special intelligent AI bot that can trade for you and generate high profit as these people are talking about. All that matters is the movement of the market, the volatility of the market. How the market goes up and goes down determine the profit or loss in the profit industry. Okay, so forget about those people telling you they can trade for you and make high profit, or rather they can maybe do arbitrage for you in a certain way. Actually, these people are not offering arbitrage method, but they're actually saying they can trade for you and make more profit. All right, that aside, we'll still get back to that. Let's simply point out those characteristics of this platform before we move on. All right, here you can see that this we are in the front page right here, and we have a couple of documentation they have there. You can read about that on you in your own convenient time. Actually, I don't want to waste much time in this. I just want to point out the important features right there. Okay, we have our core value. All right, so actually these people actually say they were founded since 2017 We're going to check how true that is. Okay, that's number one thing to point out. Next right here. All right, let's see. Aha, so we have scrolled down to their mission and vision. All right, vision and mission of these guys. All right, they say to provide, according to their mission, which is at the top, you can see that right there, to provide the most compelling investment experience, okay, possibly to our customer, which is our investors, all right, which is their clients, which are me and you, by aiding them in attaining financial independence through a combination of steady growth, all right, constant consistent earnings, and firm control of risk factor to provide safety to our investors. All right, okay. Then they say our vision: we want to be a globally renowned financial organization catering for the needs of diverse professional and individual across the globe. All right, so that should be their vision. Actually, I don't want to waste much time on this. Let's simply move down. All right, so right here, this is their packages. This is their trading plan, what they actually offer, the packages they actually offer. We have the first package. Is it the first? All right, yeah, we have the first package. The first package actually here, you start with a minimum of $50 to $9,999. It lasts for 150 days. The return on investment is 1%. Uh, the direct commission is actually 7%. Now, I guess the direct commission actually here is the direct referral commission. If I'm not mistaken, if I'm mistaken, someone should please correct me in the comment area. I'm not all that perfect, but I think I actually know what I'm saying right here. Okay, so that is a direct commission. We have the binary commission of 10%, and we have a capping limit of $1,000. Guys, on putting this in place, you should know that these guys actually they are really offering a very high return right here. Okay, the next package we have here, is said we can start with a minimum of $10,000 to $24,900. It lasts for 140 days. Return on investment is actually 1.95%, and the direct commission 7%. Also, you can check that you have the premium package and you have a lot of package as well. You can switch to plan second plan, which is plan 2, and check that all as well. All right, I just want to let you know on the type of packages they have. It's right there, you can check for it. All right, so guys, these guys actually have certificates which they provide right here. All right, they have actually 2 certificates. Actually, this is not actually a certificate right here to ponder about, because this is not actually a certificate. It should be a statement. Okay, not really a certificate. All right, here whereby we have a certificate, guys. I'm sorry to tell you that this certificate right here, it's not actually telling you that these people are actually secured, or they are actually regulated by any security bodies right here. Please, if a company has this potential, offering telling you to put in as much funds as this into their investment packages, they should have a very much secured document, because this document is actually not really secured. Why? Because I know of other Ponzi scheme platforms that use this document actually, and they end up scamming people, and yet these people are doing nothing about them. Like, take the Winsley for example. The Winsley actually had this company housing document, but yet it was actually not prove any worth, because on contacting these people on their email, they replied and saying, okay, that should be the case. It's just like a name registration document. It's not actually granting any security assurance right here. And also, that should be number one, guys. Next thing I want you to take note of is that the date in this document actually said that it was the 12th of July 2021, but these people actually claim that they were registered, or they were formed by their team actually at 2007. Okay, there was 2008 to 2010, 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this document was just issued at 2021. All right. Looking at that, that should be another red flag you should consider right there. Okay. Scrolling down, I think that should be all. Let's check out the about page of this platform. All right, guys. So we are right here in the about page of Rovel Trading. Let's check out some few things and point out few red flags before we move on. All right, let's point out those few red flags we can find that the about page right here. Okay, so I'll get confirmation right here. A group of precious metal traders founded Rovel in 2007. Okay, so Rolvi was actually founded in 2007 according to what they say. All right, and we can see right there that the document actually is 2021, which was just should I say last year. All right, so they say since then we have evolved into an incredible thing. Crypto trading is an important part of who we are. Okay, and it has been into our DNA since the beginning. Okay, Rolvi invests and trades in cryptocurrency as well as in commodities such as oil, natural gas, as well as precious metals. All right, that's actually what they do, what they claim they do, right? All right, aside that, let's move on. Bringing our knowledge to this part as well. You can see right here, this is what they have to offer. So they say they have zero risk, actually. That's what they claim. And pointing to this red flag, actually, we should know that there is no platform with zero risk. Only Ponzi scheme claims that they offer you zero risk, which initially we should know that that's impossible. Now, this is what they are saying. This is what they are trying to tell us. This is what they are trying to tell us, that we when you invest in a Rovio, you are investing in a platform that with no risk but genuine returns, guys. You see, this characteristics, this it's actually the model operandis of a Ponzi scheme. This is how a Ponzi scheme actually operates. They tell you that there's no risk and high returns, or no risk, genuine returns. A lot of times, this is exactly what they actually claim happens. And we know that there is no investment whatsoever that has no risk. This is a very huge red flags to take note of. If you are not taking note of this, I actually am taking note that this is a huge red flag right here. All right, so you should be wary of this. Now, aside that, let's check for others. All right, it's nothing much here. So now, guys, you should know that also there is no trace of the owners or people who are running this platform. These guys actually claim that this Rovio trading was actually formed by a bunch of themes who founded it at 2007. But currently, you can see that we have scrolled both in the about and every section of this website, but we didn't find any detail that link to the owners or people who are running this platform, which means that once again, this is another platform that is very secretive with their owners. You are offering us to trust our funds, a huge amount of funds to you, but yet you're not saying anything about you yourself. How possible is that? We should give our money to someone we know nothing about. Let's say you just have a platform. Once this platform goes down, guys, that is when it will turn on you to start tracing the individual involved in this platform. Then you find none, because there's actually no trace to anyone in charge or running this platform. All right, so we should know that this is another red flag to be wary of, guys. It's a very, very big red flag to be concerned about, because a business can actually go the other side. How then do you recover your fund? How then do you trace to the owners of this website? How? All right, that aside, let's open up our whois and see actually if this platform was actually registered at the exact date which they claim it was, and we then open up our wayback machine to see if this platform actually was used for this Rolvi trading since it was created. Yes, a domain can be hosted maybe since that time, maybe 2007, but it may not be used for this website at of then. Maybe other things may be going on it. Perhaps they may be even selling shoes, baby clothes, furniture in the website. How do we know? We're going to find out in our Wayback Machine and see exactly what this platform was used for prior to when these people started using it. All right, so before we do that, please, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, just a reminder, please hit that red subscribe button, turn on that bell notification icon, and if you're liking this video, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube algorithm a lot. Promote the video and share the video to other people. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and let's move on. Let's open up our Whois and check that out. Alright guys, so opening this up on our Whois, we can see that they're actually registered with Namecheap. I'm not going to talk much on that because that's not actually a big fact to lament on. But let's check this. You can see their registration date was 2016. Alright, so why would they say 2007? It was 2016 actually. Okay. I know most of you will be happy that alright, this platform has actually lasted for 6 years, right? But let's confirm if it was actually used for this platform exactly as the date it was created. We're going to confirm that on our Wayback Machine. But as always guys, I always tell you that to know exactly when a platform is actually activated for usage, what you should check is the update date, which we can see there as 2021, the September, right? The 9th September 2021. We can see that clearly right there. All right, let's before opening up our Whois, guys, take a look at what I'm saying. Now, the contact of the people who registered this website is what? Actually private. Details, every single detail is private. How then are you telling us to trust our money to you? These are things you should think vitally on before investing on the platform. You know, I do wonder why is it that we always review, or we always do review on EL Ponzi scheme or scam website. Most review you guys have asked me to do are basically on scam Ponzi scheme website. Are these the only websites that are available? No, because probably I know legit website and I have done video on legit website you can invest in. Visit the channel, you see legit website you can invest in. And I have done videos on that as well. But it happens that most of the websites that are presented to me for review are mostly a Ponzi scheme website. Anyway, moving on back to this price, you can see right here that this website is actually a private domain name. It was privatized by the people who secured this domain, and you can see right there no details is up front for us to see. Now let's check this up on our Wayback Machine to see exactly when these people started using this domain. All right guys, so we have this site open on our Wayback Machine. All right, actually truly you can see that the site actually started functioning. It was created as 2016. But let's confirm what it was actually used for. Let's leave 2016. Let's simply check 2017 to see exactly. Let's say for 2016 they actually have not started using it. But what about 2017, 2018, and 2019, 2020 also? We're going to check that. Let's first of all check 2017 right here to see exactly what this website was used for. All right, we have May the 15th, and we click on that. And it's loading. All right guys, you can see what I'm saying. You can see this guys. I said it that a domain name may be created or existing, and yet it may not be used for actually a specific item it was supposed to be used for. Now these guys actually claim they were registered 2007. We confirmed that to be 2016 as of creating of this domain, a private domain which had no details upfront. Then now we also confirmed that as of 2017, this domain was still up for sale. It was actually up for sale. So these people haven't acquired it. So for those of you who are happy that 2016 these people had started functioning, please know that as of 2017, nothing was on this domain. This domain was up for sale. Now, for those of you who don't know what this Wayback Machine does, it keeps snapshot of what a domain was used for, being a subsequent month or year, whichever time it was active, it will keep a snapshot of that. Okay, now let's check exactly when these people started using this domain. Guys, if you look at this right here, the reason why I checked the 2017 is because it has activities actually carried out. A little bit of activities was carried out then. Then the next time we have activities. In fact, this shows that this website was empty 2018, 19, 20. Yes, actually. And in fact, 2020, there was nothing at all there. All right. 2021, where we have a very huge activities on that day. Let's check if that was exactly when these people signed up for this, use this, got this this domain name. We have a snapshot there as of the 18th of December. Let it load. All right, it's loading. All right, guys. So you can see this. You can see exactly this, that it was actually as of 2021, the 18th of December, that these people actually acquired this website for themselves. This was exactly when they were using this website. And if you check and to take note on our HUIs, it was all close to the date of updating. And this is why I tell you to always check the updating date. Okay, the updating date shows a lot of things. Shows when activity started on this website, when they start creating a certain website, or when a website was launched on the domain name. That's how the update works. It will be updated. Okay, so you can see that actually it was at exactly at the 18th of December these people begin to use this domain. So they started using this domain as at December the 18th. So guys, take note of this. Now, things that should come to your mind is why these people are a bit secretive about their creators, and also the owner, the people who run this website. Why do we have no information about them? Secondly, why did these people lie actually about their creating date? Because they know that if they give you a long date, let's take for instance, they prove that they were existing for a while now, then you feel more relaxed to invest your money into them. And that's bad. If your website is actually legit, you don't have to actually lie. There's no point lying about it. Am I communicating, guys? Secondly, these people are promising an investment with no risk, which is ridiculous. Totally ridiculous. Is there any investment that, in fact, even you buying something from the market, buying a simple foodstuff, let's say a pack of rice, it's actually risky. Some part has been deducted from it. So it's actually not 100% risk free. There is nothing risk free. You buying a watch, the watch may have a little problem you may not know about. That's the risk. You paid for it. So every single thing has a risk. Investment with no risk is kind of really ridiculous. Now, also, these people actually give a very high commission to recruitment, which means they actually emphasize on refer, which means they want you to actually refer. They want you to feel the need to refer. Okay, because one, they have a very high commission to refer, and also they have zero charges when it comes to P2P transaction within the website. This is what I mean. Take for instance, now you're recruiting somebody, or take for instance, now you want to make a withdrawal. You'll be charged a certain percentage of 8%. According to this website, 8%. So if I want to withdraw $1,000 from this website, I'll be charged 8% of my $1,000. But if I'm not withdrawing and I want to sell for someone within the platform, I'll be charged zero fee. Now, definitely I can't sell to my upline because he may also have what he wants to sell. So what they initially are telling me is that recruit a downline and sell this thing to him. So they used to register, or they used to activate a plan, and then you get your real cash. And they support that a lot. peer-to-peer transaction rather than withdrawing. That's another characteristics of a Ponzi scheme. So that's kind of ridiculous. For me, it looks suspicious. If it doesn't for you, it's fine. But to me, it actually looks suspicious, and I think you should look into that as well. So with that, I think we are coming to the end of this review. Guys, just like I said, why wouldn't these people actually give us an API keys to bandwidth or exchange? That should be less risky rather than throwing up all our $10,000, $99,000, $24,000, $50,000, $1,000,000 into an investment we have no idea of the founders, no idea of the creators, no information is provided for us. Why don't we do it like the royal queue? Take a look at that. Because guys, even a normal bot, a normal robot that actually don't have your funds much invested in it are crashing. Not to talk about a Ponzi scheme robot that has all your investment money in it. That's highly risky. We should know that people who actually promises this kind of offer, they are actually bound to run away with your investment because you're giving them your money. And guys, temptation actually it succumb everything, because they may have a lot of money within their control and they may just decide to go off with it, and you can't do anything because you have no trace of these guys. Now tell me, is that not a dangerous investment? Is it a wise investment to actually do? It's not. So we should try and trade with caution, okay? Try trading with caution. I know there is no bot that can offer as high as this commission these guys are offering. Beware. And if you're still trying to invest in this after all this, guys, so I can tell you to just invest what you can afford to lose, okay? What you know, if you lose, it won't be very painful to you, okay? But I can't invest in this. Actually, I can see that this is a total Ponzi scheme. If you are not seeing it, I'm seeing it. With all the red flag I have pointed for you, if you are still not convinced, it's fine. You can go ahead and invest. I'm not telling you not to invest. This is my view. And also, if you have other views about this website you want to share with us, please share that in the comment area. The comment area is open to all comments, and I'm also open to ideas as well. If you also want to know about other investment, you have investment in mind, let me know in the comment area. I'll be sure to do a review for you on what I think exactly about that website. All right, so please and please, if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, okay, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon if you want to keep getting more notification or more in notification when a content is being created. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you very much for watching till the end of this video. I hope to see you in another video. Bye for now.